Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a full face of Wet n Wild makeup. So if you'd like to know how I got this look, just keep on watching. To start off, I went in with the Ultimate Brow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown to fill in my brows. And to prep my eyes for eyeshadow, I went in with the Photo Focus Eye Primer. Then to set that, I went in with the Coverall powder in the shade Fair on a Be a Small tapered face brush. Then I went in with the Not a Basic Peach palette, and I went in with this peachy shade on a Wet n Wild blending brush and popped that right into my crease. Then I went in with this burnt orange shade on the same brush and popped it into my crease as well. Then I took the darker of the two transition colors and popped that onto my outer corner with the same brush. Then for the center of my lid, I went in with this shimmery peach shade that has some gold reflect to it on a flat shadow brush. And then for the inner third of my lid, I went in with this shimmery gold shade. Dipping once more into that darker transition color, I use that to deepen out the outer corner. And then I went in with this satin cream colored shade on a Be a Small detail brush to highlight my inner corner. Then to start off my face, I went in with the Cushion Foundation in the shade Light Ivory, and I used the sponge that it came with to buff it into my skin. Then for concealer, I went in with the Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Light Ivory as well, and I blended it out with a dense tapered face brush. set my under eyes and the rest of my face, I went back in with the Coverall powder in the shade Fair, and I used a Be Small tapered face brush for under my eyes, and a Be Small angled face brush for the rest of my face. Then to finish off my eyes, I mixed the peach and the burnt orange shade, and I used an e.l.f. shadow brush to sweep it along my lower lashes. And then I went in with that darker transition color on the same brush and swept it along the outer half of my eye, closer to my lash line. Then dipping into that blue shade on a Be Small detail brush, I ran it along the inner half of my lower lashes. And I went in with two of their mascaras. For the top lashes, I used the MAC Fanatic mascara, and for the bottom lashes, I used the Mega Length mascara. To bronze up my skin, I went in with the Color Icon bronzer in the shade Ticket to Brazil on a Wet n Wild angled face brush. And for blush, I went in with the Color Icon blush in the shade Apricot in the middle on a Royal & Langnickel Moda Pro pointed blush brush. Then I dipped into the contour palette Dulce de Leche, and I used the dark shade to carve out my cheekbones and my jawline with a crown brush. And to highlight my cheekbones, I went in with the Megaglo highlighting powder in the shade Precious Petals. And then finally for lips, I went in with the liquid catsuit in the shade Give Me Mocha. And that completes this look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in my next one.